Assalamu alaikum students. Are you ready for competition? Yes. Okay. Do you know to whom with your competition is? Yes. With class 3B. And class 3B is very intelligent class. Okay. No, it's mean that they are going to give you a tough time. Okay. Let's get started. We will start our competition with words meaning. Okay. What is the meaning of ambulance? Yes, you.
A special vehicle used to take people to hospital.
Is she right?
Yes.
Clap for her. Spelling of ambulance.
AMBULANCE.
Is she right?
Yes.
Clapping. Okay. The next word is disabilities. Yes, meaning of disabilities.
Problem with body and mind.
Oh, well done, well done. Problem with body or mind. And spelling of disabilities?
DISP.
Wrong?
Yes.
Okay. Sabat, you tell them spelling of disabilities.
DISP.
Is she right?
No. Wrong.
No, I will wise sequentially, sequence wise. This is a competition, na? Everybody must have to give answer. Ji, yes, you.
DISABILTIES.
Is she right?
Yes.
Okay, repeat the spelling again. Repeat. Look carefully.
DISABILTIES. No.
No. Again wrong. I think you are going to lose the competition. Yes, Aja, you, Aja.
DISABILITIES.
Is she right? Okay, clap for her. Okay. The next word is emergency. Emergency.
A serious situation.
Is she right?
Yes.
Oh, well done, well done. Spelling of emergency.
EMERGENCY.
Is she right?
Yes.
Okay, well done. And the next word is, hold it, beta. The next word is foundation. Foundation. Let me know the meaning of foundation.
Non-profit social.
Is she right?
Yes.
Spellings.
FOUNDATION.
Is she right?
Yes.
And the next word is medical dispensary.
Store for medicine.
Oh, clapping. Spelling of medical dispensary.
MEDICALDISPENSERY.
Wrong. Spell it again. Spell it again. Dispensary. DIS.
DISPENSARY.
Well done. Clapping. Mercy. Mercy. Meaning of mercy. Keep standing. You tell me the meaning of mercy. No? Ji, Urva.
Showing kindness.
Showing kindness. Clap for her. And meaning of mercy?
Ma'am.
Sorry, okay, you told me the meaning. Spell. Spell mercy.
MERCY.
She right?
Yes.
Volunteering. Volunteering. Spell. Spelling. Is she right?
No.
Wrong. Yes, Aisha.
VOLUNTEERING.
Is she right?
Yes.
Meaning? Meaning?
Giving to others.
No.
No.
No. Keep standing. Yes. Meaning of volunteering?
Working without being paid.
Oh! Working without being paid. Okay, and the next page is, go to next page, beta. Pothole. Okay, we are done with the Abdul Star Idi. Now I'm going to ask words meaning from the unit number, I think 5, Pothole, and we will do this, the reading of this chapter afterward. I will send you a video about this. Okay, okay. What is the first word? Blazing. What is meant by blazing?
Shining brightly.
Shining brightly. Well done. Well done. Clap for us. The next word is compost.
A mixture of leaves and manure used to improve soil.
Oh, well done. A mixture of leaves and manure to make the soil better. Well done. Now, what is the spelling of compost?
COMPOST.
Clapping. Okay. The next word is finally. Let me know the meaning of finally.
At last, at the end.
Is it right?
Yes.
Clapping. Okay. The next word is gapping. Spelling of gapping.
G-A-I.
No. Anybody else who want to tell the spelling of gapping? Yes.
G-A-P-P-I-N-G.
And meaning of gapping?
Wide open.
Wide open. Clap for her. The next word is upcoming. Upcoming. Yes, Aisha.
Coming nearer.
Coming? Nearer. Spelling of upcoming?
C-O.
Oh, upcoming.
Upcoming. O.
Up.
Up. U-P-C-O-M-G-I-N.
No.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am. C-U-P-C-O-M-I-N-G.
Is it right?
Yes.
Clap for the next word is victim. Victim. Only few of you know the meaning of victim. But if I ask from Aisha or Urva, what is her name, Carol, you don't know the meaning of victim, it means you are going to lose.
Ma'am.
But whole class doesn't know. Yes, you.
A person who suffers injury or is hammered.
Is it right?
Yes.
And the last word is propped. Propped. Only few students knows. I think competition is going to tough because yes,
To spot an object.
to spot an object. Okay, beta, we are done with our words meaning, and afterward I will listen these words meaning and spelling from class 3B, and then we will decide the winner. Okay, beta. Okay, student, it's quiz time, and the topic of your quiz is words meaning and spelling of 2 unit Abdustar, Idi and Coco. Are you ready for the competition? Yes. Okay, are you thrilled about it? Yes. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we will start from here, and everybody will tell me the meaning and spelling of one word. Okay, the first word is blazing. Yes, I you.
B-L-A-Z-I-N-G. Blazing.
Meaning?
Shining brightly and hot.
Well done. Sit down. Miral. Compost.
C-O-M-P-O-S-T. Compost, a mixture of leaves and manure used to improve the soil.
Well done. And the next word is finally.
F-I-N-A-L-L-Y. Finally, at last.
Okay, well done. Sit down. Gapping.
G-A-P-I-N-G. Gapping, wide open.
Is it right?
Yes.
Okay. Oncoming.
O-N-C-O-M-I-N-G-O. On coming nearer.
Well done. Okay, sit down. The next word is rags.
R-A-G-S. Rags. Scraps of cloth for cleaning.
Well done. Well done. Sheltering. Rabia.
Sheltering, take cover from soil.
Oh wow. Take cover from.
Soil.
No. Spelling of sheltering.
S-H-E-L-T-E-R-I-N-G.
Is it right? Yes. Well done. The next word is stuck.
T-U-C-K.
Read loudly.
Tuck. T-U.
No. Wrong. Wrong. And the next word is Turn over the page. Okay. Victim.
VICTIM.
And the meaning of victim?
The meaning of the victim is
No. Okay, no problem. And the next word is popped.
PROPPED. Prop, to support an object.
To support an object. Clap for her. Okay. Ambulance. You beta Mansoor. What is your name? Hanji, Noor Fatma Mansoor will tell the spelling of ambulance.
AMBO.
No, wrong. You tell the spelling of ambulance.
AMBULANCE. Ambulance. Special vehicle.
Yes, you tell the meaning of ambulance.
AMBULANCE. A special vehicle used to take people to the hospital.
Right?
Yes.
Clap for us. Okay, sit down, both of you. And the next word is disabilities. Habiba.
DISABILITIES.
Is she right?
Yes.
Clap for her. Okay, what is next word? Emergency. Donating. The next word is donating.
DONIT.
No. What is the right spelling of donating? Marjam John, you have not already, you already have given answer. Everybody will get one chance. Yes. Donating.
DONATIN.
Oh, well done. Meaning?
Giving to others.
Giving. Oh, clapping. And the next word is? What is next word? Emergency. Speak loudly.
EMERGENcy.
Is he right?
Yes.
Clapping. And the meaning of emergency? Meaning of emergency? No? Sit down. Will you tell the meaning of emergency?
EMERGENcy.
Is he right?
Yes.
Meaning?
Emergency, a serious situation.
Well done. And what's the next word? Dispensary.
DISPENSARY. Dispensary.
Okay.
A store of medicine.
A store of medicine. Clapping. And the next word is mercy. What is the meaning of mercy?
Showing kindness.
Showing kindness. And what are the spelling of mercy?
MERCY.
Well done. And what is next word? Guardian. Spell guardian.
GURDIAN. Garden.
Is he right?
Yes.
No. Repeat. First of all, set your hair.
GURDIAN.
Is he right? No. You tell the spelling of guardian. No. What are the right spelling of guardian? Who will tell? Yes. You tell the. Yes.
GURDIAN.
No. Repeat the spelling again.
GUARDIAN.
Is she right?
Yes.
Clapping for her. And what is meant by guardian? Protector. Okay. The next word is vehicle.
Transport.
Meaning spelling of vehicle?
VI.
No.
VE. VE. HE.
No.
HI. C-I-L.
Oh, cheating, bad manners. This is not good thing, beta. This is competition.
B-E-H-E.
No, wrong.
C-I-L.
Wrong. You stand up. And the next word is unwell.
Sick.
Spelling.
U-N-W-E-L-L.
And what is the meaning of unwell?
Sick.
Spellings.
S-I-C-K.
Okay, the next word is orphanage. Orphanage.
O-R-P-H-A-N-S. Orphanage. Orphanage home.
Orphan's home. Spell orphanage again.
O-R-P-H-A-N-S.
No. Orphanage.
O-R-P-H-A-N-G-E-S.
Is it right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, beta, your competition is over, and I will check. Tomorrow I will announce that who is the winner of this competition. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Okay, beta, now I will ask some words and you will tell the spelling of these words to me. And the first word is volunteer. Volunteer. Yes.
V-O-L-U-N-T-W-E-R.
Is it right? Yeah. Okay, clapping. Next word. And the next word is background. Background. Yes.
B-A-G-U-R-O-U-N-D.
Is it right? Sure? Okay, clapping. Aiza. The next religion.
R-E-L-I-G-I-O-N.
Right? Clapping. Philanthropist.
P-H-A-N.
एक मिनट wait.
P-H-A-L-A-N-T-H-R-O.
No. Don't create disturbance. This is a competition. I will decide that who will give the answer, beta. You don't need to raise your hands. Yes, you.
P-H-L-A-N-D.
No.
P-H-I-L-A-N-T-H-R-O-P-I-S-T.
Is she right? Yes, beta. You tell me. Accident.
Accident. A-C-C-I-D-I-E-N-T.
Is she right? Wow. No? Okay, repeat the spelling again.
A-C-C-I-D-I-E-N-T.
Yeah. Okay, beta. You tell me the spelling of accident.
A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T.
Is she right? Okay, clap for her. And the last word of today's competition is kindergarten.
K-I-N-D-E-R-G-A-R-T-E-N.
Is she right? Okay. Well done. Okay, beta. I will announce the winner at the end of the video.
Okay.
So stand up for the champions,